We are demonstrating how to assemble Chicco Echo Stroller. Make sure you have all the parts shown here in the box and the user manual for easy reference. No additional tools are required for the assembly. To open the stroller, release the stroller lock on the left side and push the front part of the stroller forward. Push the rear locking pedal downward with foot to fully open the stroller. Umbrella fold ensures that the stroller is lightweight and compact. Next, attach the front wheels by aligning the wheels with the front wheel rods and push up until you hear a click sound. Ensure that the wheels are properly latched. Repeat process for other wheel also. Chicco Echo Stroller has 360-degree rotary wheels for effortless turning and maneuvering. The wheel's rotation can be locked simply by pushing the lever on front wheel upward. To bring it back to rotation mode, just push the lever down. For rear wheels assembly, insert rear wheel pin in the wheel. Insert the pin and the wheel in hole located at the lower end of the rear leg tube. Then insert the second wheel and the washer. Secure using the locking pin, making sure the flat side of the pin is inserted through the hole. Snap the wheel cap over both the wheels to cover the locking pin. Repeat the process for other side wheels also. For baby safety and parents' convenience, Chicco Echo Stroller is equipped with rear wheel linked brakes. Just push down on the brake lever on either of the wheels to lock both the rear wheels. You can unlock the wheels by pushing up the lever on either of the wheels. To attach the bumper bar, align bumper bar with two pins located at the ends of the armrests and push in until you hear it get into its slots. The removable bumper bar is not only an important safety feature, it is adequately padded so that baby feels comfortable while holding it or resting legs over it. Stroller comes with 5-point safety harness system for baby's protection while remaining very convenient to use for parents. Echo Stroller comes equipped with comfortably padded seat covers and fully reclining backrest. Adjustable leg rest gives baby a comfortable space whenever they want to catch a nap during strolls. Next, to attach the canopy, fasten the plastic clips at designated spots and use Velcro straps to affix it in the specific positions. Canopy is an important part of strollers. Echo Stroller's canopy protects baby from sun and wind during outdoor trips. Combined with an additional rain cover accessory, parents will have complete peace of mind while stepping out of home. Conveniently placed large basket lets you carry essentials like nappy change, baby towel, etc. while traveling. Before folding the stroller, check that the carry-all basket is empty and canopy is fully pulled back. To fold the stroller, pull the center pedal upwards with your toe. Press down the pedal on the right with your feet and push stroller handle forward till the lock clicks into place. Echo Stroller comes with a padded carry handle for the ease of carrying during travels. Lightweight and compact stroller gives you freedom to travel anywhere. Enjoy every moment with your baby and do it in style. Refer to your Chicco Echo Stroller's owner's manual for additional warnings and use instructions before using this product.